Morning principal, teachers, and fellow students. Today we are going to talk about the meaning of fruit. An apple a day keeps a doctor away, goes the old saying. Our great grandmother were aware of the benefits of fruit a long time ago. The health benefits of fruit are many. They are more than just a rich source of vitamins.
It is mostly that vegetables can fight past diseases and diseases. Because of the physical fruits and vegetables, they can reduce the risk of inherited kidney stone. The fiber in fruits and vegetables help the body fight against past diseases.
Eating fruit and vegetables help you maintain a healthy weight. Fruit and vegetables naturally contain less calories than other foods. The amount of fiber and water in fruit and vegetables also make you feel full longer, so that you will not want to eat more food than you should.
Fruits and vegetables help other cancers. The digestible fiber in the fruit and vegetable can keep water. This helps good digestion in other bodies.
Since fruit and vegetables add to a balanced and healthy diet, eating these regularly will help stabilize your mood and make you happy. The vitamins in fruit and vegetables help fight depression. Vitamin B found in leafy, which vegetable and bananas help regulate mood problem. Eating fruit and vegetables can also help improve memory and reduce stress. As eating fruit can help you get good results in your studies.
If you want to know more about the difference of fruit and vegetables, you can look on the paper floor in our school. Also, this week is the week of fruit. There are